Most faceless YouTube creators spend $2,200 a month just to break even. They need 1.5 million monthly views to cover basic production costs. 99% of channels never get close. The algorithm does not save anyone. The old model is completely broken. The traditional approach to faceless channels relies on a fundamentally flawed economic model. Creators hire freelancers for scripts, voiceovers, and thumbnails, spending around $190 per video. If you post 3 times a week, your monthly expenses hit $2,280. To break even using only YouTube AdSense at a $5 RPM, a channel needs 1.5 million views every single month. The math simply does not work for almost anyone. The problem is not just the high cost of production. It is the underlying focus of the content. These creators are competing for attention in broad entertainment niches. They are building YouTube's business by keeping viewers on the platform, rather than building their own valuable asset. Views have become a vanity metric. When your only revenue stream is ad revenue, you are entirely at the mercy of the algorithm and the platform's payout rates. This is a race to the bottom. The new model starts with the first part of the SMART system: strategic niche selection. Instead of picking entertainment niches designed purely for high view counts, creators must choose niches where people have problems they will pay to solve. This changes the entire dynamic of the channel. You're no longer fighting for the broadest possible audience. You're targeting a specific group with high buying intent. The mechanism here is simple. Attention is cheap, but solutions are valuable. When you target viewers who need a specific skill or tool, your audience size might be smaller, but their financial value is much higher. This shifts the channel from a content consumption model to a dedicated problem-solving model. It also changes what kind of content you make. You stop chasing trends and start addressing real pain points. This is how you build a sustainable foundation outside the unpredictable YouTube ecosystem. The second and third parts of the system are monetization, first content, and audience ownership. Every single video should lead to a product, a service, or an email list. You cannot rely on AdSense alone. Revenue diversification is critical. If YouTube changes its monetization rules tomorrow, a channel relying solely on ads loses everything. But a channel with its own revenue stream survives. Audience ownership takes this a step further. You must build an email list or a community that you actually control. A YouTube subscriber is not your audience. They belong to YouTube. An email subscriber is your true asset. When you own the audience, you can launch products directly to them without worrying about algorithm reach. This means building an email list from day one. You are turning YouTube into a lead generation machine, not a lottery ticket. This is what real business builders do. The final piece of the system is technology leverage. In 2026, smart creators use AI tools to create products and automate workflows without needing to know how to code. This dramatically lowers the barrier to entry for building a back-end business. You can use AI to generate digital products, templates, or even consulting frameworks in a fraction of the time it used to take. This changes the economics again. Your production costs for creating back-end products approach zero. You can create 1 high-value video per week instead of 3 low-effort ones. That single video drives traffic to an automated funnel. The AI handles the product delivery and the email sequences. This allows a single creator to operate like an entire company. The technology is not just for making videos faster. It is for building the business infrastructure that the videos point to. We are seeing a clear pivot among smart creators. They are abandoning the entertainment race and creating faceless channels that teach skills, review tools, or explain complex topics. They sell courses, templates, and consulting. This has a massive second-order effect on the creator economy. As more creators realize views do not equal income, the quality of faceless content will rise. We will see fewer cheap compilation videos and more deep analytical content. The platforms will likely reward this shift because it keeps high-intent viewers engaged for longer. For investors and builders in this space, the signal is clear. Attention without intent is worthless. The channels that will attract investment or acquisition interest are the ones with diversified revenue and owned audiences. They're not just media properties. They are functional businesses with predictable cash flow and real growth potential. This is where the real money is moving. The opportunity right now is to stop chasing views and start solving problems. Pick a niche with clear buying intent. Create one high-value video every week instead of burning cash on daily uploads. Build an email list from the very first day. Use AI to create digital products that you can sell directly to that list. Your channel becomes the front door to a real business. This is not about getting lucky with a viral hit. It is about building a reliable system that generates revenue regardless of what the algorithm does. The old model treated YouTube as the business. The new model treats YouTube as a marketing channel. If you're still using 2020 strategies in 2026, you are wasting time and money. The smart system is the only way forward for faceless creators who want to build actual wealth. Watch how search-based content outperforms pure entertainment in the next year. Track which faceless channels start launching their own standalone products. The shift from media property to real business is just beginning. The future belongs to problem solvers.